At Weba, we are embracing technology and innovating our solutions to build a sustainable future. We have made considerable investments in cleaning up our operations, and we are committed to helping you improve your environmental, safety and commercial outputs without impairing your operations. Through our years of dedicated service, we have helped clients like you to prevent costly shutdowns, improve output and create a safer, more profitable operation. We can help you improve your operations with an in-depth and accurate overview of the level of dust in your environment through the Weba Dust Analysis. Our 3D scanning technology enables you to create a safer on-site environment, improve workflows and reduce cost and time outputs. We're leading the change we would like to see in the industry. In this mission, we've committed to 8 sustainable business practices, including being intentional about sustainability, partnering with employees to drive our strategy, conserving water and electricity, creating sustainable supply chains, developing a recycling program to manage electronic and paper waste, improving chemical management and using water-based products, purchasing only energy-efficient products, developing work policies to reinforce sustainability. We've invested in measuring our contribution to climate change, which has given us the insights to create impactful changes, including a 34,082 kilogram reduction of CO2 output, a halt to deforestation, saving over 4,686 trees, a 34,082 kilogram saving of standard coal, generating 86 megawatt hours from the solar plant since the installation end of December 2020. We continue to monitor improvements via our smart metering solutions, ensuring that our environmental contributions remain on target. To learn more about how our commitment to sustainability and how our solutions can benefit your operations, please visit our website at www.webachutes.com. Weba, building a sustainable future.